What's up guys, this is Gavin at Tap Performance. We have a pretty cool video coming to you today. We're about 9 days from Sturgis and probably 7 days by the time you see this video. We're gonna be set up right across from the Indian dealership in Sturgis, so come check out the booth, go say what's up to the guys, and check out this 2020 Indian Challenger. It's the one we've had since probably 2020 when it first came out. And we haven't shown it very much love, done any new parts on it in a while here. So we figured, why not do a full carbon build? We have a full carbon kit from TNA Customs. It is replacing almost everything on the bike. We're gonna weigh all the old parts, compare it to the new carbon fiber parts, see how much weight we lost, and then show you guys what this Challenger is gonna look like when it is fully carbon, fully put together. Probably won't have too much commentary on this video. We are kind of trying to rush to get everything loaded, get everything set up, and make sure all the guys have everything they need to be successful in Sturgis. So I'm gonna work hard on getting this Challenger put together, let you guys see some of the process that it goes into it, and then we are gonna get that thing cleaned up, loaded, and sent on down to South Dakota. We're still waiting on one shipment of carbon parts from TNA, but we have that front fairing, outer fairing, radiator shroud cover, front fender. We have a lot of really important pieces so far. Just waiting on a few small things that should be here Friday, which is tomorrow, but this gives us a great place to start. This is gonna take some work anyways, so figure we could start on this and finish up when we get the rest of the stuff tomorrow.
Yeah, another couple times. That's crazy.
Definitely. I'm pretty impressed already.
Yeah.
It don't take much to impress. All right, so it's a pretty good push to get that carbon fiber Challenger done. I did not take too many videos because I had probably a day or two max to get everything done. I literally got it done at the last second. I got a second package of all the carbon fiber at around noon today, and it is 1:45, and these guys are loading the bike as we speak.
Sorry, I was just like... Going up?
Carbon fairing, front fender, radiator shroud, battery box shroud, ignition covers, bag lids, everything. This is a whole new bike. So I'm sorry I couldn't get any more, but like I said, these guys are getting ready to leave, getting these bikes loaded and down to Sturgis so you guys can see them, hear them, and demo our products is our main priority. I am super glad that I was able to get that put together. It was kind of last second as far as all the parts were. We got the last shipment of what we needed to finish the job about an hour and a half ago. So I just got done cleaning up and came around the corner and JT was pulling it in the trailer. All right, so go stop by the Indian dealership of Sturgis. We're gonna be set up right across the street. Once again, sorry this video wasn't too long, but if you're liking some of these shorter videos, let us know in the comments. We're always happy to just drop a couple minute videos and let you guys watch from there.